Hi everyone, Imran from Car Sound Security in East London here. Just finished installing these magnificent 12.5 inch rear headrest tablet screens. They're high definition, really slick. I'll just turn down the side so you can have a look. Look at that thin profile on there. So you've got USB just over here, and you've got HDMI as well, so you can plug your sort of aim device in there, or you've got headphones there as well. You can probably see the illumination just here where I've put my hand. You've got it, obviously we've got two screens just here. There's the other one. They're both linked together. So if I scroll here, let me just go here on apps so I can show you. So we're here, scroll, so you can see it basically moving across as well. So yeah, okay, so you got, yeah, so back to the features of it. So you've got LED underneath there, which you can change as well, so I can toggle through the different colors. We've done it blue because on this BMW you can see the illuminating lighting is blue. Absolutely loads of features on here. So if we just touch on the apps, so you've got loads of different apps here. So you've got the installer just there, you've got AV in, calculator for some reason, Chrome. So as long as you've got your phone hotspotted to the tablet, you can browse. You can even check your emails, go on Facebook, swipe that way, so you can upload files, your galleries, your images. So you've got HappyCast here, which basically means you can mirror your phone directly without any cables. You've got HDMI in, which I showed you the HDMI on the side there. Not too sure what that app is. Music, you've got MX Player, Netflix, Play Store as well. So again, you need your hotspot for it. YouTube, Amazon, Prime Video, etc. So, and you can use each individual tablet independently, or you can use them together. So I've got these ones paired up for the moment, so I'll give you a quick demonstration of a video which is preloaded on here, so you can see the quality. Play. There you go, look at that, absolutely clear. Look at the quality on that picture. You know, really good looking, considering the screen is 12.5. the picture is absolutely amazing. So really popular screens. We've been doing these for a few weeks now, and we've, you know, it's been really popular. So something that you know, keeps you entertained, or the kids entertained in the rear, whilst you're on a long journey or something like that. You've got also, we've done the boot up logo on here as well. So basically, if I just turn this screen off, power off, and just wait for this to go to red, should be in a few seconds. There we go. So if I just hold this down now, you can see the boot sequence. There you go. So as we put it in a BMW, you've got the BMW logo, so we can preload that as well for you. So yeah, very good upgrade. If you're interested in getting something like this done, then get in contact with us on the details below, or you know, you can give us a call again from the details below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.